Alright, we're back at Dove Mountain Boulevard and Tangerine Road. And here we go.
Wait.
It's gotten darker since last time.
Wait. Cross.
The light's a little dimmer this time. The other one, the last two pedestrian ones that were APS had brighter ones.
Walk sign is on to cross.
Okay.
Walk sign is on to cross. Wait.
This one's got brighter.
Wait to cross.
This one's got a brighter one. Look at that.
Wait. Cross.
Look at that. Look how interesting. The light here is bright, but that one has a dimmer one. I'm guessing it was low. These conditions were bad enough already. Alright, the green lights are probably going to go off in a moment. And turn yellow. Yep, they are now. And it will say its final words.
Walk sign is on to cross.
That's it.
Walk sign is on to cross. Walk sign.
Again, look at this.
Wait.
Look how dim the light is. That's it.